Hi Internet! We are trying something very different today. Oh, I can adjust my camera zoom also. So, my son is home in the next room playing some video games. So I intentionally waited for his game time to start. So then I can be live. Um, I can be interrupted. I can get, I don't know, distracted. I'm not sure, but I always get distracted and I always interrupt myself. So that is totally fine. We will see what happens. I didn't want to miss my stream. I missed it yesterday. I had a small injury, small accident, and I received a blunt force to my head. So I was resting yesterday, but today, here we are today. Anyway, so let's go and begin. Do I want to adjust the... Yeah, maybe I can also get these face light, which is fine. Okay, and also the music. Yeah, why not? How does it sound? Okay, it's getting there. Cool, so I made a couple of changes outside of the stream. And let's see. Yeah. What is this? This is just hello Bucky, welcome. Yeah, it looks like I made changes to the camera. What is it? Really? I'm not giving any comment, man. How are you, Bucky? Hello and welcome. I don't understand. Regardless, I made changes to... Is this going to go away? Like, what is this? Camera target. We changed the camera target and then the editable path here. Now it should have gone... Oh, maybe I need to save it? Okay. So I made a lot of changes. I changed the positioning and the angle of the camera. I made it very... I streamlined it. Basically, I made it very easy for me to understand and follow. And maybe I can go over it. I don't know. I also added these debug text. I implemented a debug system. So there is this debug layer in the game scene, and that updates every second. Also, what I have done is I made this hooks system. There is a singleton called hooks, and basically it is where I keep all of my hooks, which are callables. And when they are called, of course, what they do is they execute this contract. This contract system I have seen in Godot's video, in one of the Godot's videos in that YouTube channel. So it basically, you assign nodes to groups, and when they are assigned to a group, also you add the method to the node itself, to the script that the node is hosting. So this basically becomes a contract, and this creates a loose coupling between different components, which is very cool. I mean, I might have done the same thing here, but then that would be another task to track where I am using these contracts. So that is why I abstracted it to a dictionary like thing called hooks, and I do it there. Anyway, so that was a very cool thing in my opinion. Basically using this, I don't have to go and so this debug layer doesn't have anything. It only has this crosshair, which we can maybe there should be something to close it, turn it on and off, and also some container called texts. And we add whoever wants to use that hook uses that hook, and we just put whatever information to the screen, which is very cool. It doesn't depend on static implementations. Yeah, the other thing I can show is my elements, my player cam. So here -30 and 45. I did some reading and I watched some people who are doing this isometric thing in a historical context as well, like how it is done in Diablo and etc. So basically -30 and 45 degree angles gives me the exact diagonal movement in cardinal axis, because what I wanted and couldn't achieve was pressing S and D together. I wanted to move in the exact positive X direction. Pressing W and A should be moving in negative X direction. So that is like, it is now perfectly possible. And these are just 45 degree angles, like right, left, and whatever. Yeah, so this is another thing that I achieved, which was nice. Otherwise there was a sliding movement when we are moving in diagonals, which is cool. The other thing I learned, which I was having a huge issue, I'm going over what I learned, what was important to me, so that maybe it is useful to someone else. This local space, because I was putting the camera into the scene, like here. I was putting the camera into the scene, but then when I wanted to zoom in or zoom out, I didn't know what to do. And funny enough, I was doing this. So I was selecting this and then getting into transform and incrementing X like this, and then incrementing Z, trying to find the perfect spot, etc. No, there is an easier way. You just, let's make this uneditable, lose everything. What happened? Shit, did I edit? I don't know. Nope, nothing. Okay. The thing is very easy. So basically I select this, right, and now it is in global space. When I move it to local space, I can just pull this to zoom in and zoom out. I can just pull this for zoom in and zoom out, which is very cool. Yeah. Since I achieved this, that was always my intention, to make this a orthogonal projection. I was having some limitations on the orthogonal projection because I couldn't set the distance and stuff. So I figured that out as well, made it orthogonal, which was also a win. So yeah, thinking about it, I managed to resolve a lot of issues, or something made sense to me now, and that's great. I'm great, mate. Trying to make an inventory system at the moment. Got it. So when the tree falls and rocks are broken down. Yeah, that is, I can definitely suggest you to go check out the Godonier's video. It has just this one.
Don't have the necessary.
It has the inventory, crafting, and collecting objects. So it has everything that you need. I'm gonna implement the exact same thing in the following days. Yeah. I really like this guy because he thinks in systems and he codes in a very extensible and maintainable way. And it also taught me that you can like access your resources. What are the like materials that you collect, and you can just edit them in a single screen and such. So anyway, this is like the great video. I definitely suggest you to check it out.
Our crafting function as well.
Yep, I'm gonna just leave it here. Go check it out. So today I want to do this camera transition. So what I want for the player camera is, let's call this one, we are gonna make some changes to the camera. Yeah, exactly, it doesn't matter. I know and remember that you are using Unreal, but the underlying principles are the same. I'm sure you can translate the knowledge. I'm watching all kinds of Unity tutorials or videos in Unity and just getting the because the mathematical principles, for example, I was looking in the past week or so a lot of this vector mathematics, spatial calculations, etc. The mathematical stuff is the same. Yeah. So what I wanna do is where's this cam? The camera is here. So we can make the player camera. So I'm gonna extend this script and the player camera a bit, and we are gonna use the camera director. So this camera is sitting at X and Z positive X, positive Z. And let's call this camera like, let's call this camera, so let me think. So what I am thinking is, in Godot, right, in Godot we have, this is positive X, this is Z, and we have Y. If we look from top down, X and Z looks like this. So X, this is how we do it. Somehow I want to place one here, one camera here, one camera here, and one camera here. And this is where the world is. And I want to transition into these cameras. Hey, Hazwan Mohaimin. I don't know who you are, but your stream appeared on my front page, I think. You are a game dev as well. All the best for you. Thank you very much. All the best for you as well. I hope everyone like reaches their dreams to be the game dev. That, at least that is my dream, to just do game development until the end of time, until my time ends, really. I am doing development, I am doing coding anyway, and I believe there is a future that I am doing the coding for my projects, for my games. I'm doing the development for my work that I have the ownership of, and then earn my living through it, from it. We'll see. We will get there eventually. But thanks, and good luck with your journey. So yeah, I'm thinking if we think of this system, since we are trying to name things, if we think of it like the directions, like if this is north, this is east, right? I wait for my degree while waiting. I try to develop my first game, still in planning phase. That is very nice, very cool. I support you, whatever you are trying to do. Let me know if you need any kind of help. I'm not the expert. I'm not saying that I have like huge experience and huge knowledge, but well, if anything, I would be aware of your like problem context, and maybe that would get me into thinking. So anyway, I'm gonna call this one, I drove all these because I just wanted to mention, I'm gonna call this one southeast, I'm gonna call this one southwest, I'm gonna call this one northwest, and this one will be northeast. So yes, so basically this is going to be the camera at the southeast, southeast camera, right? So let's save it. This camera is now southeast camera, and we already broke everything, so let's pick this up. Let's put these in. So we also need an export for active camera. We need an active camera, which is a, come on, I'm just gonna stop. This is a camera 3D. Yes. And we can call these on active camera. And this wouldn't work actually because we broke the thing. So handle zoom, we need to refactor this for orthogonal camera. Yes. Just so your stream is enough for me to gain motivation. All the best. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. So nice of you to have it here. Thank you very much. Very cool. Very cool. Do you want to talk about your game? What are you planning? What are you trying to achieve? Okay, this is cool. Camera targets, southeast camera, player, active camera is a scene specific thing. These can be also exported, I think. Like, can I put, yeah, we can export them. This doesn't need to be exported. I think I exported this only to see it in the remote inspector. Yeah, but then it can be seen in the debug as well. So I'm just gonna move it up like that. And the distance. I'm setting it here. Distance is the same as the target position. Cool. And then I want 4 more cameras, 3 more cameras. So can I duplicate this? Camera attributes practical. Can I save this? Save. Save as player camera. Camera attributes. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna remove Turkish. It keeps switching. Okay, done. You are gone. So we have this. Now I can quick load like that. Yeah. The only thing I am thinking about considering right now is to move these into the script, because when I change them, if I change them, do I want to do it? Anyway, that is something to consider later, I think. Okay, let's duplicate. This is southwest camera. And then I'm gonna pull this in. And then we are gonna duplicate. So this is going to be southwest, northwest camera. And then this is going to be northeast camera. Yep. And we will pull these in. And the only thing is going to be southwest. Wait, I don't need more cameras. I need... Wait, I messed up. No. I don't need more cameras. I either change camera target altogether. Oh shit. Yeah, this... I kind of effed it up. I can't do this. What I can do... Related animation tricks. What are these? Yeah. This is just the camera. 3D. Yeah. I think that was unfortunate. Then we don't need this at all. And this is going to be the camera. So, what I need to do now is basically I just need to change the rotation of this, the camera target. Yeah, because what will happen when I do that is, so now I don't have anything, right? Do I have it? Oh yeah, I made some changes here and there. Exactly. This is gone and this is added. Yeah. So there's basically, we didn't change anything yet. So what happens when I just change the rotation? So take your right hand, put it into the positive X. I mean, for you it should look like this. I need to go get the door. Just wait a second. So what I wanna do is, this is positive X. We don't wanna change that, so we made a positive 45 here. Hey Nujang, welcome, how are you? I was watching you yesterday. I lurk. I stopped commenting in the chat for a while now. So I made this minus 45, but then I also need to make this minus X position. So it gives me the 90-degree displacement. Yeah. So to move from this corner, nope. To move from this corner to this corner, I changed the Y rotation 90 degrees. I also multiplied X with a minus 1. But how do we make it? Wait, I'm gonna go to the door. I mean, I can make a dictionary to keep track of where I am. Yeah. So instead of cameras, I'm gonna make a dictionary. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So instead of the cameras, I'm gonna make a dictionary for let's call it camera positions, right? And this is a dictionary, which is then southeast, right? Yes, southeast is going to be another dictionary, which is X is going to be 1, Z is going to be 1. So these are those stuff. What are you complaining about? Are you complaining about this? And this? Really? Come on, man. But also, I don't think this will ever change. The only thing will change is whether we are rotating 45 degrees and then this is rotating no, we can just say rotation then. So it is just a single rotation value that we need to know, and this is going to be 45. Yes. I think so. Rotation degrees. Set rotation degrees. So we are gonna do this. Set rotation degrees. Okay. So I can just keep the, instead of that, I can do. Yes, you are. Okay. Nice. I think after Twitch updated the channel redeems, added the bit spending there, bit, or was it called bit? I don't know. It might have been broken, so I need to find some time and fix them. Hey Jones, welcome back. How are you? Instead of that, we can just keep here. I guess we can keep here the vector tree. So this is going to be 45 and 0. Vector tree. Right. And then keeping the same thing. This is going to be southwest. Going back to old ideas. Northeast, northwest, northwest, northeast. Let's not jump. Okay, so for west, what did we do? We made the Y rotation minus, and X is also -1. And for northwest, we go 90 and then 45 in the minus direction. So this is -135. And X is again minus. And Z is also minus. Yes, because we passed the 0 point. We passed the 0. Yes. So here Z is minus, X is plus, and rotation is we can say like that. Yeah. Or do I need to make this like, how does it work? So I do this and then do that. Okay, I think it should work. I'm not sure. My math is failing me. Anyway. So this is it. Then what? Then let's say let's put an input. Debug, capture, wheel down, wheel up, whatever. New action, rotate. Like let's say rotate clockwise. Add this and add a key press, which is Q. Let's put Q there. Close. So when we press Q, do I do it in the This is camera target. Can I also put this into the physics process? Or do I do it in unhandled input? What was the documentation here? Called when an input event hasn't been consumed by input or any GUI control item. It is called after shortcut input and after unhandled key input. For gameplay input, this method is usually a better fit than input. Okay, so we can use unhandled input, I guess. What is the need for saving here? I'm just gonna destroy that. Okay, so here on unhandled input, let's call this handle camera rotation. Why not? And then here I can have a handle camera rotation. So what are we gonna do? Oh, I need to have a current camera position. Camera target, camera player, yaw, pitch, constant, lerp, ease, pitch max, pitch min, yaw, pitch target, what? Okay. So I don't have it. So I'm gonna say var active camera position, something like that. Yeah. We cannot type dictionaries, right? We cannot. Groceries, fruit. The keys of the dictionary can be iterated. Okay. It is rough. Sure. Anyway, on ready, I'm gonna say active camera position equals camera positions. Oh, I also need a next, I think. Wait. I need something here. Next position is south west. Is there a pattern? Do I need all of this? If I'm going from this one to this one, minus x minus 45. No, nothing. The logic is too much. Or it is not like immediately apparent. Let's do one rotation for now. Yeah. Let's do one rotation for now. So this is northwest. This is northeast. And this is southeast. From northeast we go to southeast. And then we can call active camera position. So now we can call it here as well. Call it southeast. And we don't need this now. Yes. Yeah, this is fine for now. So handling the camera rotation, we are gonna say if input is action pressed, which is clockwise, rotate clockwise. If this key is pressed, right? If this key is pressed, I want to camera target multiple lerps. There is a lerp and lerp angle. Linearly interpolates between two angles. Correctly when angles wrap around. If I'm doing multiple lerps, I can do a tween, I think. Yeah. From to linearly interpolates between two angles in radians. But I don't know the radian. Do I know the radian? I mean, I don't like that. I wanna write a tween. Was there a tween somewhere that I wrote in the past? We can do tween property, and then play? No. Tween parallel here. Tween parallel, tween property. All tweeners in the example will run at the same time by running set parallel to true. Okay. If parallel is set to true, the tweeners appended after this method will run simultaneously. Okay, so what we are going to do is create tween set parallel true. We are gonna do this basically. And we are gonna select the camera target. and do it. Okay, let's do it. There is no merit to waiting. So here we are. Wait, just want to delete these. So here we want to tween camera target, its position, final value, sure. Okay, so then first I need to get these things, right? So let's get it. To get it, I need to go, I need to find the next position, right? So next position, if I am at southeast, I can get this southeast and the next position. Or if I know the active one is southeast, you know what I can do? I can get the previous position, which would be a simple, much simpler solution, right? Because I need to get the next one. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do previous position. And for southeast, previous position is northeast. So we are looking it backwards. For southwest, southwest is this one. Previous position is southeast. For northwest, it is southwest. And for northeast, it is northwest. So this one is here, this one is here, this one is here, and this one is here. Nice. So what I can do is here I can get the next position is camera positions dot find filter. Wait. Okay. Why is there why there is not a I can make this a array and then find or filter would be working. Merge size values. Dot values. What is it? Dot values returns the number of entries. Merge, no, merge, make keys. Returns the list of keys. Has, get. Returns the corresponding value for the given key in the dictionary. Find key. So I can get the key. I can get the active one. So it can be like this. Camera positions dot get active camera position dot, and then access its, wait, this, I hate this. So we are gonna go back to next position. Is the music coming to the stream? I'll get this thing. Then I want this. Or what I can do is make this next camera position, which is southwest, and that would be just fine. And then again this will be next position, and then this will be southwest. The limitations are frustrating. And then this would be northeast, and then this would be southeast, and I can put them into an enum. Next. Okay, so now we know the next camera position, but initially this is set to southeast, but the next is southwest. Okay, then I can just say get the next camera position, and that's it. So I would have this. Then next position dot x, z, and rotation. I have all these stuff. So we can say change camera target position to final value is a vector 3, right? What's happening here? Alo? İyiyim. Ben So this can be, we can, instead of this, we can make a position then. Position is also a vector 3. Since this is going to be a normal vector or normalized unit vector, like this. Vector 1. I can call this vector 1, but let's make it more explicit. So copy it, put it here. Wait, what was this? This is going to be -1. And here, this is going to be this. And here, like this. Okay, nice. So where are we going now? We are going to camera target dot position times next position dot position, and the weight is duration. Duration is 1 second. Let's call it 1. Does it work? It works. Okay, let's do rotation. Rotation. What was it? Not 3D. Rotation degrees. Rotation part of the local transformation. How do I twin rotation? Let's call it Godot node rotation twin. Rotation degrees. Oh, I can do that? Yeah, helper property to access rotation in degrees. Nice. Okay, let's go. So we are gonna do this the same, almost the same, but instead rotation, we are gonna do rotation degrees, and we are just gonna do rotation because we know that. 1 second. Would it work? And then we wanna set the next camera position equals next position dot next position. Okay, which is, there are a lot of weird naming confusions here. Let's see how this will fail. Okay, camera is not declared. Why? Okay. Let's see if this works. So we can do this. If I press Q, where did it go? Okay, it didn't do the... Okay, the rotation didn't happen. Rotation. Not 3 rotation degrees. Vector 3. Yes. So what I'm thinking is, if I set this to -45, what happens? Oh, I cannot. Wait, what's happening? What? There is something wrong. Okay. This twin happened. Then am I... Oh, I think this is the problem. I'm gonna turn this off. I think that is the problem. Let's see. Okay. So it is working. The final position was working for the first one, but then it failed. Let's check. So next position is northeast. So now we are at northwest. That is fine. Then somehow this failed, because that should also be -1. It didn't work. Why? If I do this -1, this should work, but it did not. Oh, that is because we shouldn't be... So I'm multiplying minus with minus. Instead, this should be like... This shouldn't change. And then this shouldn't change. And then, but this should change. Oh shit, this is too much. This is too much. Okay. Then I feel like I need to make these like written. Like set static. Yeah, why not? I mean, yeah. var x position point to 6 var y I don't know why these values are like that, but who cares. At this point, oh, this is the same. Okay, so I can call this target axis distance or something like that, and I can call target height or something like that. Why not? So then we can call this TED. Let's call this TED. This is too much code. Let's call this TH. And target axis distance for X and Z values. And is this one? Yes. Target height. Okay, so this is TOD, TH, TOD. This is minus TOD. Does it work like that? Or do I need to do like this? TH. This is still positive TOD. Here, this is -1 times TOD, TH, northwest. Minus, still -1 times TOD. And this is, so now this is positive, this is as always, but this is -1 times TOD. And here, now I'm just gonna move it to the next position. That's it. Let's see. But still the movement, this is very weird. Yeah. Okay. So the positions are working, and when I move to that position, the movement is great. I like this already. The only thing I need to figure out is this twinning, and then there is this pet. Maybe I do the pet thing, pet follow, or whatever that is. Yeah, I can rotate, although it is a weird movement now. If we make this 0.1, let's say 0.2, whatever. So I'm here, hop, here, hop, and this just works very nice. Yeah, it feels like, you know, shutting down your eyes, opening and shutting your eyes. Yeah, or in some games, you know, there is this camera change animation where there are security cams and you are switching between cams. There is this shut eye and open again thing. It feels like that. So you are looking at the scene in different angles, in 90-degree, like similar to cardinal angles. It is there, and then it is there. So you can go other places, which is nice. I like it. Okay, this is cool. It is working. Nice. I need to think about this animation. The thing in my mind was to have this kind of like smooth animation from this position to this position, for example, like following an arc like this and land here. So the camera is, for example, right now at this position. Here the scene is here, looking like at this angle, so it would follow this curve, and at any given point, so basically like from rotating this around this position, and then when it come here it would be looking like that. So I was thinking doing that, like this panning animation, but looks like that is a bit harder than I was anticipating. Okay, at least we managed to do this. There's one other thing I can quickly show. Now I'm thinking about having a transition scene between start menu and then the game, and for it, let's see, here you see I have this pet 3D and pet follow 3D. there is a follow point on it, so this is basically the thing that the camera needs to follow. And so if I run this scene, right, the camera is kind of following it. Now there's a lerp. Maybe if I kill the lerp it becomes better. So if we do this, like, this is wait, right? Wait 1 means instant, like stick to it. Yeah. It is kind of following this. So we can have a line and this line can be followed. Yeah, and then there would be easing. For the twin you can also set easing. Hey, I don't have any experience on game development. Do you suggest to follow a tutorial or not to build? So basically everyone's situation is unique in a way, so it all depends on your background and everything. If you have a coding background, if you know like the programming concepts and everything, it might be a different answer. But this guy, for example, has very beginner friendly
Hello, Godot.
video here about the scripting, the coding part, and I find this guy a very good teacher. You can check this guy out. As always, there is very famous Breckies. He just recently released this Godot GD script video. You can check that one out as well. One thing I find valuable, at least for me, is I don't mind watching this video, for example, couple of times. First time I watch the entirety and then maybe I just come, oh here, I wanna check this one out. I watch this part again and then I watch this part again later or something like that. My point is, don't rush or don't feel like you are wasting your time until everything sticks with you, until you metabolize the information. You can spend, repetition is the key, always. Repetition makes someone like master. Everyone, the experience is basically doing something like countless times, or the mastery, you know. That is the point, and it shouldn't be missed. Think of each problem in the simplest step. Like every problem, every feature can be can be divided many times until what is left is very small, very granular, and that is very easy to fix. That is very easy to do. Yeah, if you are starting, just keep everything very simple. Anyway, so I think this is it. Now, second part of today, I want to check this game, especially the camera and player movement. So I'm gonna do a bit of kind of a research, because I started playing this game but then I stopped, so I'm gonna do that. Maybe for that I can change the title and everything. So what was it? Cocoon. This game. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna check this game's the camera angle and the player control on this game. Is it on my Xbox? Yes. Okay, so let's do it. I'm gonna play this and see how it is done in this game. Okay. So, let me get my controller actually. So this is, although not the same, it is kind of similar angle. The first thing I notice is it is more aggressive top-down view. It is not like really an isometric thing. I'm trying to notice every detail, like if there is a camera shake, if there is some. This is very snappy, like. But also, from what I can tell, this character is not entirely. Oh wait. Is it immediately at the center of the screen all the time? I think it is until the platform ends. I think until you cannot move anywhere. Something like that. And I have no idea where I am right now. I don't know. What is this place? Is it a new place? I have no idea. Something is happening. The music gives me that vibe. So if I reach the world's end, I'm still in the center of the screen. I am almost always center of the screen. I can go. Oh, okay. So somehow I came here. Let's go back. Wait, what happened? The angle is... I like the angle actually. Should I try this angle? There is more movement, more animation, more life to the character. But I don't have any animations yet, so this is okay. Wait, looks like I don't have anything to do here. I can't do anything here. I'm stuck. I forgot all the keys as well, so I don't remember how to play this at all. Okay, there is nothing. I don't have anything to move this platform, so I'm gonna go back. Let's take this one. How do I take it? What happened there? This game looks cool. Yes, I know. I know this game looks very cool. Can I take this and move into the world? So let me try it. If I put this one in, can I take this bubble with me or something like? Oh yes. Okay, looks like I can. Nice. So I'm gonna put this one to the platform to energize it. Oh no, no, what are you doing? Holy shit, no, don't do that. Don't do anything to me. Okay, be careful for YouTube. Something happened, but I missed the... Wait, what? Wait. I came to the other side. But look at this stylized environment. It is indeed very cool. Like these are all very blocky plants on the water. The general aesthetic is very nice. Okay, there's nothing to do here. Something happened and I missed it, and I'm sorry for that. I think it was like a subscription on YouTube or something, probably. So thanks for that, even if it is not. Or was the follow on Twitch? I don't know. Thanks for it, guys. Thank you. Okay, I'm back. I kind of remember this place. Maybe I need that ball here. I'm gonna take this one. I don't remember how I come here at all. I started this game, played couple of hours, and then basically didn't touch it again. There are no buttons, there is just one interaction, which is simple, which is good. Having one interaction only is nice. Oh, I remember going over. Ah, there was something here that is attacking me, no? No, okay. No. Okay. One thing is certain, it is almost always the character is almost always at the center. The angle is... I'm trying to see how the camera like changes, works. It is very snappy and oh, it feels like there's going to be a boss battle now. Probably. Maybe this looks like a boss. It looks like it is going to activate or something. Wait, didn't I solve this? Like, how was it? Ah, shit. I don't remember. There's a sequence here, but I don't know that sequence. Okay, let's try to figure it out. Maybe there is a clue somewhere. Oh! Holy moly. Okay. Holy shit. But I liked it. The depth and the... So, here. We don't have anything. Then I go here and I can get the clue. Okay, this is very cool actually. So diamond with things, then there is this 5 edges, then the triangle, then the 6 edges, and then the wings. This one first, and then 5, and then the triangle, and then 6, and then the wings. Okay, I hope you don't kill me, man. Okay, we get something. Are you gonna follow me now? Nice. This game is Cocoon 2023. I think it like earned a couple of awards. Like, it's a very well received game. Ah, this one signals things to open up. So we got... Ah! Let's go! I know where to go now. Wait, didn't I play this part? Like, I feel like I played this part. I'm gonna take this one, go here, and then put this one in. There are these camera animations. You see, camera moves in, zooms in, and then goes with a boom. Whenever there is action, we get this. So when I do this, yeah, and then when I do this, the transitions are great. And whenever there is some kind of like interaction, there is some movement with the camera. Okay, where do we go now? So we opened this. What happens then? Do I need to bring the ball? No. Ah, okay. Wow. Okay, this was cool. I think I need all these balls. Oh, I can I put it here? Oh no. Oh no. Wait, what was that? What happened? I like these kind of angles, this kind of movement. Yeah. Oh, what the hell? Can I pass? Looks like I can pass. Oh, it is killing my robot. Holy shit, man, you are killing my robot. But I need my robot. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Nice puzzle. Okay. I'm gonna go here, and then when I pull this in, they will go back. We'll just wait. And then I keep my robot. Okay. Another jump. Okay, I'm back here. Wait, what? Is this like a hub? Oh, my robot is gone. Holy shit. Yeah, you see those kind of moments. The cam, when there is a point of interest, it is very boring, very static. Yes, yes, yes. But then, oh, we get into these areas. I think the Phantom camera has this thing. When you enter into an area, you get these panning movements for the active camera, which is very cool. Yeah, another good takeaway. I think we can do that. To, you know, okay, it is here. How can I bring this one? Ah, you see, the orange one is in there. It tells me you left it in there. So, if I pull this one, if I go over here, let's take the robot, and then I put it here and immediately run and go. Okay, we wait, and then jump in. Nice. Okay, pick it up. I think this is something you would do. Yes, do it. These are very, very good. Yeah. When there's an action, put it into the center. Don't let it be happening on the peripheries. Yeah. I feel like these would attack me. Okay. Picking up my phone. Okay, I believe I have quite info on that one. How do we open this door? Right now I am thinking about researching, trying to understand how to incorporate the player movement and the, you know, the camera movement, because those are very hand in hand. Those two goes together. You do an action, you move, the camera reacts to it. Like you take an action, or there is something important on the screen, there is something happening, camera needs to react. This is what I'm trying to understand, make sense. So I am taking a good look at great games, how they are working, how do they implement this intertwined features. Release the moon ancestor. Didn't I do that before also? I feel like I did that one before. So we are releasing moon ancestors, whatever that means. Can I do anything with these guys? No? Is there anything else over here? Nope. Ah, this door is open now. Oh, wait. It was as simple as that. Very cool. Okay. I can't pass. Can I put this one here? Yes. You see, it is almost not visible, but making the rim in a very different color, you achieve that importance. You can communicate the importance of it, and we couldn't pass between these pillars with the ball, but without it we can pass it. I wonder if we can pass through here. So it works. There is multiple solutions. Okay. Even if I didn't figure out that. Oh, wait. So that was only one solution. No, scratch. There is only one solution. Okay. And then we are here. And another portal. Nice. So I can leave this one here. Go. I think this will take me to this central hub again. If I pull this one, nothing happens. I need to be there. Okay, what are we doing now? is the puzzle here? The puzzle is put the ball here, go back, and then go get it again. Okay. They are not like giving you headache. Hard puzzles. It is so hard that it gives you headaches. Okay. Okay, this feels like another puzzle. Nope. I need to go somewhere else. What the hell? What the hell? I'm scared. I'm a bit scared. I must say, I am a bit scared. I have no idea what's happening. Oh, wait. Was there these things moving around? Okay. The bridge is gone. How do we return? It doesn't look great. No, this feels like a boss area. Shit. Don't do it. Don't. What do I have? Move, action, pause. And that's it. What do I do? Like, do I make it... Ah, I see. I make it go to this. Okay. I can just run away and hide until I get the... Ooh. Okay. It is scary. It is scary. Okay. It is destroying stuff. Okay, I need this. I need to stay with this thing. Uh-huh, there we go. Let's pick this up. Ah, shit! Okay, Did it... Wait, what? Okay, that was interesting. Come again. Show yourself. There you go. Okay, we are gonna do this. I'm gonna stay here. Come on. Come on. No. No. Ah, shit. Okay. You know what? That's it for me today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, guys. Take care and keep working on your projects. Those make us cool. Bye. Hey Dan, how are you? Good to see you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. That is it for me today. I need to go and finish some work. Yeah, this is... I like to take a look at games and how do they implement these things. Right now I am very interested on, you know, this player movement and like following it. You know, I know it doesn't make really much sense when I say it like that. Let me show you what I have currently. Because I don't have the controller support yet. So this is what I have. It is very smooth control, I would say. And today I also did with Q, I can move the camera to another angle and you can have different views from different orientations to the scene. And from that game, what I have observed is when there's an interaction, when there's an action, put it into the center. So the camera should always move. It doesn't necessarily always need to follow the player. It needs to be more dynamic, like moving onto the action. Even maybe we can do like this rotations, zoom ins, zoom outs, even like in the similar to what in the movies. We want to show something to the player, and yeah, those are the things I'm thinking about right now. This will be about there will be multiple levels. So I think of it like, I don't know how to explain it, but it is going to be a Metroidvania, but there will be like Hades like runs, like a roguelite runs. There will be multiple level towers that you are trying to escape. Let's call it escape at the moment. I'm thinking that it is a desolate factory like thing, and you go through places to objectives and activate the machines or activate the infrastructure, and eventually you are trying to escape the place. For now, that would be the simplest explanation. It has the entire setting and the story. I have here but yeah, I wrote it. I created this document to give me a reference when I'm lost. But basically, yeah, this is going to be a post-apocalyptic world, and we are in these towers, huge infrastructures built for AIs, and we are gonna be a servobot that is awakened by an AI to do the biddings of this AI. So basically, an AI wakes up and tries to get more powerful and sends the bot to, activate more resources, more CPU, more, I don't know, stuff like that. Does it make sense? So that is going to be the game. There will be enemy fights, there will be puzzles to solve, there will be locks and keys, like in Metroidvanias, there will be inaccessible areas, and when you gain new abilities or powers, you will be able to unlock those places. Stuff like that, yeah. Well, we will see. And you can shoot snowballs for now. What is the name of the game I played? It was Cocoon. It is this one. Can I go into the... Yeah. This is the game. It was very cool. One other game that I played for research purposes is this game. This is also a very cool game. I'm gonna play this at some point. Yep. These are... I'm looking for inspiration and stuff. Tunic is also a game that I am inspired by a lot. Hades, of course. I don't know Hades is here. Yeah. That is another game I am inspired by a lot. So, yeah. Cool. That's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for keeping me company. I hope that was enjoyable, that was entertaining, or somewhat, worthy, valuable in terms of educational quality. I don't know. Take care, and I wish to see everyone tomorrow. Bye.